Hey there, chocolate lovers! Ever wondered how a Cadbury Dairy Milk Chocolate bar becomes the creamy, dreamy treat you know and love?
Loaded with whole nuts! For more joy in every bite! Cadbury Dairy Milk, now with whole nuts.
And did you know that Cadbury uses a glass and a half of fresh milk in every half-pound bar of dairy milk?
It's the glass and a half that makes the taste and a half.
Today, join Captain Discovery to dive into the delicious world of chocolate making, Cadbury style. We'll take you on a wild ride from sunny cocoa farms to bustling factories where milk and chocolate join forces to create pure magic. You'll see how the beans get transformed into smooth chocolate, learn the secrets of Cadbury's special milk, and witness the moment those famous squares take shape. So grab a bar of Cadbury Dairy Milk, settle in, and get ready to discover the story behind it. And don't forget to subscribe now and join Captain Discovery's journey. The tale of Cadbury Dairy Milk is a rich and flavorful journey dating back to the early 1900s. In 1905, George Cadbury Jr., a visionary in the world of chocolate and son of the company's founder, embarked on a quest to create a milk chocolate bar that would surpass all others in creaminess and quality. After years of experimentation and dedication, the first Cadbury Dairy Milk Bar was unveiled, boasting a unique recipe that incorporated a higher milk content than any other chocolate bar at the time. This groundbreaking creation quickly captured the hearts and taste buds of consumers, and by 1914, it had become Cadbury's most sought-after product. As the 20th century unfolded, Cadbury Dairy Milk continued to evolve and innovate, introducing a delightful array of new flavors and formats to cater to the ever-growing global appetite for chocolate. From the classic milk chocolate bar to fruit and nut varieties, Cadbury Dairy Milk expanded its reach and captivated chocolate enthusiasts worldwide. Before we start, here's Captain Discovery's quiz about Cadbury milk. What color is the iconic Cadbury Dairy Milk wrapper? Comment your answer below the video now. The journey of Cadbury Dairy Milk begins in the lush tropical regions where cocoa trees flourish. These trees produce large pods containing precious cocoa beans, the essential ingredient for chocolate. Cadbury sources its cocoa beans from various countries within the Cocoa Belt, a region that enriches the globe approximately 20 degrees north and south of the equator, including Ghana, Nigeria, Brazil, and more. If you know other countries producing cocoa, please share your answer now. Expert buyers carefully select the finest cocoa beans, ensuring they meet Cadbury's strict quality standards. Once selected, the beans are transported to Cadbury's state-of-the-art factories. Cadbury is renowned for using a glass and a half of fresh milk in every half-pound bar of dairy milk. This commitment to using high-quality milk is a key factor in the chocolate's creamy texture and delicious flavor. The milk used in Cadbury Dairy Milk is typically sourced from local dairy farms, ensuring freshness and supporting local communities. The milk is carefully processed and condensed to remove excess water, resulting in a concentrated milk powder that is later blended with the cocoa liquor.
We've been supplying Cadbury Switch on milk for over 50 years.
Upon arrival at Cadbury's factories, the cocoa beans are thoroughly cleaned to ensure purity. They are then roasted to perfection, a crucial step that enhances their rich, complex flavors and aromas. The roasting time and temperature are controlled based on the bean's origin and desired flavor profile. Roasting caramelizes the beans' natural sugars, creating the signature chocolatey taste and developing additional flavors and aromas like nuttiness, fruitiness, and hints of spice. By the end, the beans have transformed into fragrant, flavorful cocoa, ready for the next stage of their journey. The cocoa liquor is blended with milk powder and sugar, essential ingredients for Cadbury Dairy Milk. The milk powder gives a creamy texture and milky sweetness, while the sugar adds sweetness and balances the cocoa flavors. The precise proportions of cocoa liquor, milk powder, and sugar are blended and refined using rollers to create a smooth, homogeneous paste. This process reduces the particle size of the cocoa solids, ensuring a consistent flavor and a melt-in-your-mouth chocolate experience. The next crucial step in creating Cadbury Dairy Milk is conching, which involves kneading and aerating the chocolate mixture for several hours or days. Conching is essential for developing the chocolate's smooth texture and rich flavor by evaporating moisture, intensifying flavors, and breaking down cocoa butter crystals for a silky mouthfeel. These are carefully measured and blended to achieve the perfect balance of sweetness, creaminess, and chocolatey goodness. By the end of conching, the chocolate becomes a glossy, velvety mass, ready for the final stage of its journey to becoming Cadbury Dairy Milk bars. Tempering involves heating and cooling the chocolate to specific temperatures, ensuring stable cocoa butter crystallization for a glossy finish, satisfying snap, and smooth texture. The tempered chocolate is then poured into molds, which are vibrated to remove air bubbles and ensure perfect shape. Then, a panel of trained experts conduct taste tests to evaluate the chocolate's flavor profile, ensuring it meets Cadbury's signature taste. The filled molds are cooled to solidify the chocolate. Then the bars are gently removed and passed through automated wrapping machines. Each bar is wrapped in Cadbury's signature purple foil, featuring the iconic logo and glass-and-a-half symbol. Finally, the wrapped bars are packed into boxes and shipped worldwide, ready for chocolate lovers to enjoy.
Your change.
Happy birthday, Mum.
Cadbury's parent company, Mondelez International, has implemented various sustainability goals to make a positive impact on the planet and the communities it works with. Through its Cocoa Life program, Cadbury aims to create sustainability goals, including, by 2025, Cadbury aims to source all the cocoa used in its dairy chocolate through the Cocoa Life program. This means ensuring that the cocoa is grown in a way that benefits farmers, their families, and the environment. Then committing to empowering women in cocoa-growing communities, providing them with training, resources, and opportunities to become leaders and entrepreneurs. And working to reduce its environmental impact by promoting sustainable farming practices, protecting forests, and reducing waste and emissions. By prioritizing sustainability, Cadbury Dairy Milk aims to create a brighter future for cocoa farmers, their communities, and the planet, while continuing to deliver the delicious chocolate that consumers love. Thank you for joining us in exploring the production process of Cadbury Dairy Milk. Enjoy exploring factory production with us? Like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating insights into manufacturing.